Hi everyone, my name is Rangga, a state of student vocational 4 or SMKN for short. I'm majoring at multimedia department. The title of my presentation this time is How to Make Label Design in Coreldraw.
The material we must prepare is a computer, CorelDRAW application, a mouse, a printer, and stationery.
So, the first step is making sketches.
The purpose of making sketches is to make a designer easy to have an idea of making the label he or she want to make. The editing process of many sketches is take a lot of time.
So we can start from making a logo. Logo plays very important role for marketing of the brand itself.
After we make a sketches, we make a logo and give a color. The main ingredients besides the logo that you can add are the manufacturer, the location of manufacture, and your market on the internet.
We printed the finished label on the printer with the sticker paper.
Okay, finish. And stick it on the food wrap you have. And that's the process of making a good and correct label. It turned out that making label is not easy as you think. We need a lot of time and energy to do. If the result is good and clients are satisfied and happy, the tiredness is paid off. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Rangga Pratama. Goodbye to design.